Yeah, I got to know this incident has happened, and this falls in north district of the state. And we all know, you also know that forest land cannot be encroached by anyone until unless there is an order or there is a process coming from the central government or through some act or policies. The forest land cannot be encroached by anyone. I have come to know that few families they have come and tried to settle down there. So still the entire information is to come in my hand. I have sent my PCCF there along with some other officials, top officials. They have visited the place. Once the report comes in my hand, I'll be more clearer about the matter. And another thing is that if at all there are people they are landless, they don't have place to stay. I think state government is to see the matter. I'm sympathetic to their cases. If at all anyone is landless still living in Tripura. But the point is, it is already 70, 75 years that we have been giving rehabilitation to the landless people. Now the question is all of the sudden 50, 60, 70, whatever number families, they are still landless in Tripura. These matters should be inquired thoroughly. And if at all they are from Tripura, if the people are from our state, then definitely the government should allocate some land from the caste land to those families, and government should take care of their welfare. I'm totally sympathetic to them, but forest land cannot be allocated to them as per the law of the land.